If you're wondering how to set up Xero with existing orders, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick steps to make sure you get everything in place and running smoothly with your existing orders. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to integrate your existing orders into Xero without any hassle, saving you time and effort. To begin, let's talk about why Xero is such a powerful tool for managing your business finances. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software designed to help businesses manage their finances, from invoicing to reconciliation. And if you're new to it, don't worry. Setting it up with existing orders is a straightforward process. First things first. Before you import any orders, make sure your Xero account is set up correctly. You'll need to have your company details, financial settings, and tax rates in place. Once that's done, you're ready to move forward. Now let's dive into adding those existing orders into Xero. Start by going to the Sales section on your Xero dashboard. In this section, you can track all your invoices, quotes, and orders. To import existing orders, go ahead and click on the Create button, then select Invoice or Quote, depending on what type of order you're dealing with. If you have multiple existing orders that need to be inputted, you can use Xero's batch entry feature. This allows you to import a list of orders all at once using a CSV file. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of data to enter and don't want to do it one by one. Once you've chosen the correct order type, it's time to fill in the details. Make sure you input the correct client details, the items or services provided, and the amounts due. You can also adjust payment terms, add discounts, or apply taxes if needed. Another great feature Xero offers is the ability to integrate your existing orders with inventory management. If you're using Xero's inventory system, it can automatically track stock levels as you create and update orders, so you'll always know what's available without manual tracking. Also, don't forget that Xero has powerful reporting tools. Once your orders are entered, you can easily generate reports on outstanding orders, unpaid invoices, and more. This helps you get a clear picture of your business's cash flow and outstanding balances, which is crucial for decision making. One thing to keep in mind is that Xero allows for seamless integration with other business tools. If you use a third-party app for customer management or inventory, you can link those tools to your Xero account, making the process even smoother. Now, as promised, if you're new to Xero, you can access this software for completely free. Just click the first link in the description below to claim your exclusive bonus and free trial. This is a great way to test out the features for yourself before committing. In summary, setting up Xero with existing orders is simple and efficient, especially when you use features like batch entry for bulk orders and inventory integration. By doing this, you're streamlining your accounting and making your workflow much more efficient. So if you're ready to get started with Xero and save time managing your orders and finances, don't forget to click the link below for your exclusive free trial.